Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Mike Vaki, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart real quick. We'll hop over on the hourly, but what the point I want to make to everybody this morning is this. The Bears have an opportunity. They do. And nobody rags the Bears more than me just because they can't really get anything done on a sustainable basis. So I'm going to give you both sides of the argument. The Bears side of the argument is this. You're making, since we made this 2401 high, you're making lower highs, you're making lower lows now for 1, 2, 3 consecutive days. If you can take out the low from the spike day down at 63.25, and by doing that and closing below the 9-day simple moving average, which has been a thorn in the Bears side since February, recall, support, 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 trying to be support again today. 9-day simple moving average. The problem with the Bears, and the reason the Bears can never get any traction in the market, is because they can never convert on a closing basis and then follow through on a level that really matters. So you have two candidates for that today. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Hourly chart. So the two areas are this. You got weekly pivot, actually three. You got weekly pivot, you got our old friend, the hourly midband. And then down here in the 72 area, you've got the 9-day simple moving average. So you've got a layer of price from 72 to 80, okay, that the Bears really just need to seal. And I understand that it's 8 handles, but we're talking about things in a little bit longer term time frame this morning. So I need everybody to kind of get a little longer view hat on and stay with me for a minute here. The weekly pivot has been support in this market for weeks now, okay? Tends to get tested early in the week, and the Bears tend to blow it, okay? See over here? Bears missed chance to convert weekly pivot. The weekly pivot last week was 21.6110. Traded as low as 57.5, screwed around with it for a few hours, lost it, never got it back. Okay? So, what's happening now? Well, here's your weekly pivot. We open below it on a Sunday night, which is incredibly dangerous, okay? What you don't want to do is do this one and then V. If we were up here this morning, first of all, I'd already be long. Second of all, we'd be talking about how it would be basically inevitable until we took out 2401. But that's not the case. What they did is they took it down, they defended, and they made a lower low. That's interesting to me, okay? They've now bounced up again, not threatened the weekly pivot, found resistance in the 76 area, and are now pushing back through. If you look on a 5-minute chart, we're trying to push through VWAP right now. VWAP's like 73.25, 73.5. If you make another lower low, then what you're left with there is about 13 to 15 handles of distance between price and weekly pivot. You're now below the 9-day simple moving average for the second time since the opening Sunday night. And you're in the process of starting to convert some areas that matter. That's the kind of follow through the market needs if we're going to get any kind of a sustainable pullback. Okay? So that's a dynamic I want everybody focused on. 72 through 80, who's going to win that zone on a closing basis today? All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. I will catch everybody for the midday update. Have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out our website, PrincetonTrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.